Sorkar Jilla kala Kular ban Shimkhia halor kinu ki Jingeh ke bedai bagi Jaka Thoh Eksam CET ke bedan hapok ke Jilla. Kani ka kerwo kalawan hadian bakanehu kawai ki Jaka Thoh Eksam CET hapok ke Jilla kala sakhi ke kenram. Hapok kedau ba ke CET kam day hapok ke jengkmi jong ke Sorkar Jilla Menteri Rangba ukon red kesang maulaong belada dan kinu ki Shimkhia ke Sorkar kan sapen sngau ya kani shikibor bedekmi.
Last in cabinet elections.
So we can tell us plus minus what is it?
I don't speak here. Can we? I have not heard of any mismanagement. Number one. Number two, the CUT exam is conducted by central agencies. It's not conducted by the state government, and therefore it is completely in their jurisdiction. The CUT exam, again, a reminder to everybody. Is mainly for the exams that are being conducted, for college admissions in the center in the NEHU courses, and that is the reason why today, after the amendment to the Captain Williamson Sangma University, we will be able to now affiliate all the colleges from NEHU to the state university. So that any college that is not planning to have any kind of course affiliated with NEHU doesn't need to affiliate with NEHU anymore in the future, and they will.